So the sheep is on 7th number. So we have to write word sheep here. You have to look at the position of the animals and then write down in front of the correct ordinal number. Sheep. 7th number पे कौन सा एनिमल है? sheep. Okay, Anif. Now, come to next. The next is second. 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 So you have to see कि second position पर कौन सा animal है? Second position. Yes, lion. Look, the lion is on second position. So we have to write Lion, lion. The lion is on second position. So we have to write lion. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which shows the position of something in a series. किसी भी चीज की position जब बताते हैं series में, then they are known as ordinal numbers. The next one. Come to next. Next is sixth. 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 ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स के आगे th, st ये सारी चीजें लगती हैं, इसलिए हम उन्हें फोर्थ, फर्स्ट, सेकंड लाइक दिस बोलते हैं. ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट इज सिक्स्थ. सो यू हैव टू सी कि सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पे कौन सा एनिमल है. कम ऑन फाइंड आउट विच एनिमल इज ऑन द सिक्स्थ पोजीशन. लुक, जिराफ. Giraffe is on the sixth position. The position is written here below the animals. दिखा आपको? कैन यू सी इट? सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पर है जिराफ. सो राइट डाउन जिराफ. GIRAFFE. Giraffe is on sixth position. Okay. Now next. Next is NINTH. Ninth. The next is ninth. Now you look there, look at there and find out which animal is on the ninth position. Ninth position पर कौन सा animal है? Goat. The goat is on ninth position. So we have to write goat in front of ninth. GOAT. Goat. Okay. Now come to next. The next is FIRST. First. The next is first. Now you see कि first position पर कौन है? Monkey. Monkey is on first position. Look. So you have to write down monkey. 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 You just have to look here. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे animals हैं. They are standing in a sequence. और सबकी positions लिखी हुई हैं. ठीक है. So you have to search कि कौन सा animal कौन सी position पर है. And then you have to write down the number in front of ordinal number. You have to write down the name in front of the ordinal number. The next one is third. 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 Now, which animal is on third position? Rabbit. Rabbit is on third position. So we have to write down rabbit. 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 Rabbit is on third position. Again, I am repeating, ordinal numbers are those which shows the position of anything. ऐसे नंबर जो किसी भी चीज की पोजीशन बताएं सीरीज में कि वो कौन से नंबर पे, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, एट, सेवेंथ, कौन से नंबर पर है. So they are known as ordinal numbers. The next is TENTH, tenth. The next number is tenth. So tenth number पर है cat. Cat is on the 10th position. You look in your book. Cat is on the 10th position. So you have to write down cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. And next is E-I-G-H-T. H, eighth. Number 8th position. So horse is on the 8th position. Horse. You can see the spelling from there also. Spellings are written over there. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse is on 8th position. Whenever we participate in any race, अगर हम कोई कंपटीशन या रेस में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, so फिर उसमें आते हैं ना, कोई फर्स्ट आता है, कोई सेकंड आता है, someone comes third. So these are ordinal numbers जो किसी भी चीज की पोजीशन बताएं. And the last one is fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. So you kindly look over there and search which animal is on number 5th. So dog is on 5th position. Dog. So you have to write D-O-G, dog. Dog is on 5th position. Done? The rhyme is in your rhyme book. This English rhyme is in your rhyme book and the title of it is I am a little chicken. Chalo, let's start. And I'm looking at each and every one of you. Come on, start. I'm a little chicken. Start, everyone. Ready to hatch. Pecking at my shell. Scratch, scratch, scratch. When I crack it open, out I will leap. Fluff up my feathers. And cheep, cheep, cheep. Yes, come on, everyone. Navya, come on. Do the action and sing the rhyme. Start again. I'm a little chicken, ready to hatch. Pecking at my shell. Scratch, scratch, scratch. When I crack it open, out I will leap. Fluff up my feathers. And cheep, cheep, cheep. Very good. Okay, come on, one more time for the last time. Start. Now I want everyone to do. Start, everyone. I'm a little chicken, ready to hatch. Pecking at my shell. Scratch, scratch, scratch. When I crack it open, Out I will leap, fluff up my feathers, and cheep, cheep, cheep. Very good, very nice. All right, chalo. Now we'll move to our next work. So kids, now get your GK copy. Get your GK copy. Kids, get your GK copy. And write down today's date. आराम से करो. Get your copy. Write down the date. The date is 17/8/2021. Beta, practice at home also for writing. Now you are in HKG. You have to write fast because we have many things to do. We have many things to write. ठीक है? Come on, get your copy and write down today's date. The date is 17/8/2021. Your GK copy you have to bring. Okay, no problem, ma'am. ठीक है? But remember next time, जितने भी names of fruits and all आते हैं वो सब GK में आएंगे मैम. Names of animal, names of fruits, weekdays, months name, anything. Okay? Yes, Jasdeep, go. Go and come fast. Everyone, get your GK copy and write down today's date. Navya, what happened? क्या हुआ बच्चा? Why are you crying, beta? Go and drink some water, जाओ. पानी पी कर आओ. Go. Okay. So first of all, write down today's date. That is 17/8/2021. So, kids, today we are going to learn the name of two fruits that have only one seed. Seed. Seed मतलब बीज. ठीक है? तो आपको you have to say the name of fruit. ऐसे fruits के नाम बताना है जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही seed होता है. The fruits that have only one seed. जिसमें सिर्फ एक बीज होता है. Only one seed. आपको पता है ना, there are so many fruits, है ना? बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं. Some have one seed, some have more than one seed. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ एक seed होता है. कुछ fruits होते हैं जिसमें एक से ज्यादा होता है. Okay? और there are some fruits which are seedless. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जो seedless भी होते हैं, जिनमें कोई seeds भी नहीं होते. Okay? So there are many fruits. Everyone pay attention. There are many fruits that we eat. So some have one seed, किसी में एक seed होता है. Some have more than one seed, किसी में एक से ज्यादा होता है. And some fruits are seedless. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें कोई seeds नहीं होते. Like banana, grapes, उनमें कोई seeds नहीं होते, है ना? So you have to write down the name of the fruits, two fruits name which have only one seed. ऐसे fruits के नाम लिखना है आपको जिसमें सिर्फ one seed हो. Name two fruits that have only one seed. Write down the date and then write down the question. आपको किसी भी दो fruits के नाम बताने हैं जिसमें एक सीड होता है ना? हम जब फ्रूट्स खाते हैं तो उनमें से बीज निकलते हैं, यस, इजंट इट? व्हेन वी ईट फ्रूट्स, सो सम फ्रूट्स आर सीडलेस, किसी में सीड्स नहीं होते हैं, सम फ्रूट्स हैव वन सीड, किसी में एक सीड होता है, एंड सम आर हैविंग मोर देन वन, किसी में एक से ज्यादा होता है. So here you have to write down the name of fruits which have only one seed. First of all, write down the question. Seed means beej. Yes, the first one is mango. Yes, हम लोग मैंगो खाते हैं ना, तो you know how many seeds are there in mango? There is only one seed. Yes, उसमें से सिर्फ एक बड़ी सीड निकलती है मैंगो में से. So mango is one seed fruit. मैंगो, उसमें से सिर्फ एक बड़ी सीड निकलती है जिसे हम गुठली कहते हैं. First of all, you write down the question. Name two fruits that have only one seed. आपको दो फ्रूट्स के नाम बताना है. You have to say the name of two fruits that have only one seed, जिसमें सिर्फ एक सीड होता है. So the first one is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango is having only one seed. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Rishel, what happened? What happened, beta? The first fruit is mango. Mango में सिर्फ एक ही seed होता है. Mango is having only one seed. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And the next one is cherry. Look, there's digraph. There's one digraph we had learned. CH. CH digraph हमने पढ़ा था ना. The digraph sounds ch. CH digraph sounds ch. C और H को मिलाकर क्या बनता है? ch. So you have to write cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Arav, stop touching the screen. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. So these are two fruits. Those are having only one seed. Mango and cherry. Mango और cherry ऐसे fruits हैं जिनमें एक ही seed होता है. They are having only one seed. Mango, cherry. Okay. Mango and cherry are the fruits. Those are having one seed. Mango और cherry ऐसे fruits हैं जिनमें एक ही seed होता है. Now write down the second question. Name 2 fruits that have more than 1 seed. अब आपको ऐसे 2 फ्रूट्स के नाम बताने हैं जिनमें एक से ज्यादा सीड होते हैं. Those have more than 1 seed. अभी हमने फ्रूट्स के नाम लिखे, those are having 1 seed. ऐसे फ्रूट जिनमें एक ही सीड थे. Now we have to write the name of that fruits that are having more than 1 seed. जिनमें एक से ज्यादा seeds होते हैं. So there are ample of fruits. Those are having more than 1 seed. Guava, papaya, है ना? And apple, watermelon, they all are having more than 1 seed. So write down everyone, name 2 fruits that have more than 1 seed. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि हम बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स खाते हैं और हमने नोटिस भी किया होगा बहुत सी बार, है ना? सो वी आर ईटिंग सो मेनी फ्रूट्स. सम फ्रूट्स आर सीडलेस. कुछ फ्रूट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें सीड्स नहीं होते, लाइक बनाना, ग्रेप्स. सम फ्रूट्स आर हैविंग 1 सीड. कुछ फ्रूट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें एक ही सीड होता है, लाइक मैंगो, चेरी. एंड सम फ्रूट्स आर हैविंग मोर देन 1 सीड, like watermelon and papaya. Watermelon and papaya. W-A-T-E-R, water, and melon, M-E-L-O-N, melon, water, melon. Water, melon. W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon. Let kids write the question and the answer as well. They are now big enough to write down everything. They are big enough to write down everything. If you feel that your child is a slow writer, then you make her or him write 1 day prior when you got the PDF. But they only have to write each and everything in the copy. ठीक है? Now they are big enough to write each and everything. If you find that your child is a slow writer and it takes time to write down everything in the class, so you make him or her write 1 day prior when you got the PDF, please. It's a request to all of you. It is fruitful for them only. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. The next one is papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Watermelon and papaya, they both are having more than 1 seed. इनमें बहुत सारे seeds होते हैं. Watermelon and papaya. There are many fruits, those are having many seeds. Custard apple, guava, है ना? They all are having more than 1 seed. Complete it. Yes, Paki, show beta, show your copy. Just a minute, ma'am. Paki, hold it, huh? Just a minute. Yes, now show.